Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you tired of your Garmin pausing every time you hit maybe a red light or whatsoever? So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually turn off auto pause in Garmin Connect app devices in 2026. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, the honest truth, you cannot just turn off the auto pause inside the Garmin Connect app, since there is no toggle, no switch, no basically option. Auto pause is a watch setting, not an app setting. So, on your watch itself, press the start button, then choose your activity, including run, bike, whatsoever. Then press and hold the menu or app button. Scroll through auto feature or training, then select auto pause. But we still have options including the app itself. So when stopped, pauses when you stop moving, that's basically an option. Custom, pauses below a set speed or just turn it off to never pauses at all. You can also select off and press start to save. So why not in the app itself, since Garmin keeps auto pause on the watch because it is a real-time setting during an activity you may want it on or maybe off. The app only syncs after, so set it once on your watch and forget it. But we can also go through this menu basically more, or this three-dot menu, tap on Garmin devices, and make sure your device is here. Go all the way and check these settings, basically the device settings from your own phone, you can access them. And that's it. When changing whatever you want, just tap on save and move on. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.